Animals save other animals. This dog fell into a waterfall. Luckily, her best friend was nearby to help her. At the right moment, he grabbed the stick she was holding in her mouth, and after many attempts, he managed to pull her out of the water. It just seems incredible. A buffalo sees that a turtle is lying on its back and tries to flip it over with its horn until finally he succeeds. Look at his face when he turned the turtle over. Obviously, everyone who saw this couldn't believe it. This hungry dog was very lucky because her friend the parrot managed to get her some spaghetti from the pot that her owner had just cooked. To be honest, it's really funny, but I don't want to imagine the owner's reaction when she finds out about this. This cat found itself in a very difficult situation. He was surrounded by 3 dogs and was very confused. But like a true friend, another cat quickly came to protect him and managed to scare off the 3 dogs. I wish I had a cat like that as my friend to protect me.